Hey everyone, welcome to the PassFab channel. If your Samsung phone keeps asking for a Google account after a factory reset and you can't get past the verification screen, this video is for you. Today, I'll introduce a practical FRP unlock method that works for the latest Samsung phone and is compatible with Android 16. Quick note before we start, this guide is for educational use only. Please make sure you're unlocking a device that you own or have authorization to access. Alright, let's jump straight into the solution. With recent Samsung updates, many shortcut-based FRP bypass methods no longer work. When the phone is completely locked at the Google verification screen, software-only fixes usually fail. That's why we'll be using PassFab Android Unlocker together with the DL mode, which allows the tool to communicate with the device at a deeper system level. You can get PassFab Android Unlock in the description below the video. Launch it and select Remove Google Lock. Select Samsung. Here you can see the latest Qualcomm mode. Before starting the removal, you'll need to prepare an EDL cable, which you can purchase from Amazon. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Power off your phone. Press the volume down and power buttons to turn off your phone. Then connect the EDL cable to your computer. Do not connect it to the phone yet. Step 2. Enter EDL mode. Press and hold volume up and volume down on the phone at the same time. Then press and hold the button on the EDL cable and connect it to your phone. Hold for about 3 seconds, then start pressing the volume buttons repeatedly. You need to press it 15 times in total. Keep holding the EDL cable button the entire time. Once finished, release all buttons. Android Unlock will proceed to the device selection page. If it doesn't work, try pressing the phone's power button to see if the charging icon appears. If the charging icon appears, it indicates that EDL mode has not been entered. You need to repeat the procedure. Step 3. Select your phone model. First, locate the device model. Then select the closest match based on the suffix letter of the model. If you're unsure, don't worry. Selecting the wrong option won't damage the device. You can simply redo the process and try another selection. Step 4. Remove Google FRP lock. Click Next to begin the FRP removal. The process usually takes less than 1 minute. During this time, do not disconnect the cable. After completion, your phone will restart automatically. Step 5. Set up your Samsung phone. After reboot, you'll see the Samsung welcome screen. Go through the setup steps as usual. This time, the Google account verification screen will no longer appear. Once setup is complete, you'll have full access to your device. And that's it. If you want to try this method yourself, you'll find PassFab Android Unlocker linked in the description. Subscribe to the PassFab channel for more hands-on Android unlocking tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.